Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to build your lantern game for Amstrad CPC464. And all you have to do is open up a project, and let me go do that. I will open up the little space game that I wrote, Heinlein Station, there it is. And all you have to do is go export Amstrad CPC464. And Lantern will crank away here and it will write out all the source code for your game. And then what we have to do is just open that up in a shell and run the build script. And that will attach it to a disk image, and then we can run the thing in an emulator. So let me click OK, and then I'm going to open up that folder here in command prompt. And if I do a dir, you can see that I've got all the files here. That's the current timestamp, so I just built all that stuff. And then let's look at the build script. I'm going to do vi build.bat. Just look at that thing. So you can see that it's using Z80 assem to build all the code, and that is graciously provided by Matthew Reed. He has allowed me to include Z80 assem in Lantern. So thank you, Matthew. Your assembler is awesome, and it's allowing people to do really cool stuff. So then it renames the output file, and then it attaches it to a disk image. So on your disk image, the game will be called advent.bin. If you wanted to change your script, that's fine. However, every time you export your game, a copy of the build script is going to get moved into your projects directory. So and it will overwrite any changes that you've made. So if you want to customize your build script, just give it a different name in your projects folder, call it like my build script or build script 2 or something, and then it won't get overwritten. And then when you build your project, just run that. So and then notice here we're using CPC disk XP to actually attach the disk image to the program file to the disk image. So and then we should just be able to run it. So let's close out of here. There we go, and I'll just run the build script. And you can see there it worked. So let's just do a dir or ls-lrt and see what we got here. So there's our bin file. It's called advent.bin, and the disk image is adv 464. So let me pop over to Arnold here, and can I reboot? Is there a way to restart this thing? I don't know. Let me just relaunch Arnold. The Arnold emulator. There we go. Okay, now let me attach that disk image, insert disk, and let me go to that directory, which is Heinlein Station 3, CPC464. So when you when you export your project, you get the project name underscore the platform name. And if I go into there, you can see, oh look, there's a disk image. Let me attach that, and I should be able to type cat now, and let's see what's on that. There's our advent.bin. And then let me run it. Run advent.bin. And there we go. South read note. There you go. So there's your game. Now you can get your game running on Amstrad CPC464. I don't have one of these computers. I didn't even hear of it until somebody on one of the Sinclair forums sort of mockingly said, oh, well, yes, but can your thing do CPC464? So, okay, fine. Now it can. If you have any problems getting your game running on Amstrad CPC464, just email me. I'll be happy to help you. Also, send me a picture of your game running on an Amstrad 464, because I've never actually seen one in real life, but it looks like a really cool machine, and I love this. It looks like a Commodore. It's kind of a Commodore-esque operating system, but a Z80 processor. It's like a cool fusion of a bunch of different technologies. I really like it. So if you've got one, consider yourself fortunate. I'd love to have a picture of your game running on an actual machine. And if you have any problems, just email me.